Because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. All right, so first with the package, bumper, some engines that John needs, and his 20B FD. So this thing's been hiding pretty much for a while. I have his intake on the passenger side. He has the wheels in Florida, so we don't have them with us. These are just to transport the car. But yeah, ITB. So pretty much an NAFD build. Nothing too crazy. Another reason we're going is there's going to be a huge Rotary meet at Ace Cafe. Never been, so we're gonna take a couple of cars there. Kyle from Booster Boys is bringing the Sidekick. Unfortunately, Cletus couldn't make it to the event because he has an event at the Freedom Factory this weekend. John's on his way to pick up the Mystery Machine, and we're gonna take the Mystery Machine to Ace Cafe. Now let me show you the engine. I have a bunch of stuff here to put the engine together. Sorry about the mess, but pretty much this is the engine that's gonna go into her FC. She has all the parts over there in Florida. We already dropped off the rotating assembly over there, so she has that. And the only thing we're gonna be doing is stacking it, you know, building the rotors and stacking it. Pretty much all the hard work's already done. Now, as far as the intake, like I said, we also did an intake for her. So all strapped in, seatbelt on. But I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing that, and we're gonna be dropping that off, and we're gonna be going to Ace Cafe Rotary meet, which I'm pretty excited about. So I brought the drone, I brought the laptop and all that stuff so we can get some sick footage and pretty much start giving you guys the content again. We did take a break for like the past year. Mainly just had a lot of issues with customers. They thought that that's all we do, you know. Right now, it's Saturday. I left at 3 in the morning from the house. We're gonna get to Florida at 4, 5, and we're gonna go to the Rotary meet. And then Sunday, we're gonna build that engine. And as soon as I'm done with that, same thing, packing up, going back to Virginia. You know, we don't do this on our work hours. We do this on our spare time. And what we do in our spare time is our business, you know. So I try to tell people that, and I don't think it's fair for us to be sacrificing our YouTube content for people that are being impatient and don't want to respect your personal life. We have the merch on the website. We have stickers, all that stuff. We're gonna hit 100%, and I'm really excited for this year because we're gonna concentrate a lot on YouTube, and we're gonna phase out of building cars. We're not gonna build cars for customers. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sell items, merch, stuff like that. We're gonna sell engine builds. So if you want to send us your engine, we can build the engine, we can balance the engine, we can sell you parts. But that's as far as it's gonna go now. You know, we will really want to concentrate, and especially now that we got a letter from the EPA, we can't tune cars for customers and we can't modify cars for customers without getting a $5,000 fine. So, you know, we're going to have to make this move, and I appreciate you guys with the support and all that stuff. So let's get to it. We got probably 4 more hours to go, and we'll be in Florida.
Making an intro back into YouTube again. I just got almost fucking hit me. Right now we're driving all the way down to Bradenton because Central Florida Rotary meet going this weekend in Orlando, and I don't have a car to run. So I hit up my boy Gary and asked him if I can borrow the Mystery Machine. So let me come get it. I had to like work it a little bit. It had a little misfire last time. Probably didn't have to change the plugs on it. So right now I'm almost to the shop to load up the Mystery Machine, and then Mike's heading down from Virginia with my car, bring it down here so I can start working on it. And Kyle from Booster Boys, he's meeting us at the meet with the Sidekick. So we're gonna get basically all the boys together for this weekend, have some fun at the meet, meet some people, and then after that, now that I'm gonna have my car down here, I can focus more on doing my own cars. I've been working in the garage, doing some work for some friends here and there, but it's finally time for me to start working on my own cars. Okay, fucking need a haircut. So if I made it to the to Garrett's spot, and man, I thought I was gonna have the nicest car to meet, and this thing's seen some shit. Look at this. Oh. Girl, what happened to you? Pretty sure it'll start right up though. Come on. Come on, girl. Little trailer burnout. Let's make sure it's good. Something like that. That's it. Ain't going nowhere. All loaded up. Got a little nice burnout again, just for make sure it's working before I take it out of here. I just gotta drive like about 2 hours to get back home, change the plugs. It's definitely bad, and just make sure it has coolant and oil. And that should be it. Hopefully I can pull over on it. Not focusing. Let me get my iPhone. Fuck this camera. What happened?
Crackheads in Florida, man, they're fucking
Bro,
full force.
Everywhere.
Full force. Wow.
Some guy just asked me for a sandwich and for liquor.
I have one asked me to jump his car and then took me to an alley. I thought
Oh,
I was gonna
yeah.
have to kill him.
They was probably trying to suck your dick. Damn, Mike. Where's all my shit at? Is it all scratched? Oh, nice. With the engine sitting on top of it?
Nope.
Nah. You saw what we're trading? I'm gonna give you that.
I think it's probably more reliable.
100%. I think you gotta push it. Everybody in that hotel is awake right now. What? Everybody in the hotel is awake right now. What? People are trying to sleep.
Car's gonna wild out. This gas is brutal. Yeah, that was this. I love the RX3s. Well, it's finally shot the flames. Oh, yeah, like this fucking dude lost his sandal. Yeah, he fucking lost everything. Dale, que se cayeron tres. I love a good old RX3. Man, RX3s are sick. Yeah, we're just trying. We don't have our cars here, but we're trying to two-step also. Maybe on next month. Now everybody's gonna start leaving, and everybody's gonna get wild, and we're probably gonna go to the street and record all the Rotaries leaving. That pretty much wraps up the meet, and I guess that's it. We're gonna load up the cars and just head out. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.
Can't bring you guys anywhere.
Damn.
Dude.
Now Clear's not gonna let us borrow it anymore.